Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get rainbow egg and grow a garden game of Roblox fall harvest event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. There are some methods that you can try to get the rainbow egg. The first one, you can go to this menu and you can purchase the rainbow egg from here. But if you want to get it for free, guys, you're going to join the garden cards event. This one, you need to play it and then you can tap on the card to flip it. For the first card, you'll be able to claim the reward for free. Okay, this is new item in the Grow a Garden to game of Roblox. You need to flip a card in the Robux shop to reveal a prize. You can get pet seeds, gear, and more. Buy all 5 to climb a tier. Your first card is free. If you're lucky, you can flip the first card and you can get the rainbow egg from here, the fall rainbow egg. And the second method, you can try to join the guild team. And then I'm going to show you the reward. One of the rewards is the rainbow egg. And for this event, we need to hatch full harvest eggs to score for the guild team. And if you want to look for the guild team, guys, I would like to recommend you to join the Grow a Garden Discord server, and you can try to find a team there. Or you can create your own team, but it needs Robux. Okay, and then, wait, let me go back to my garden. I'm going to hatch my full egg to score for my team. Okay, I have 5 common egg, common full egg. Oh my god. And okay guys, that's how you can get the rainbow egg in Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.